Not every AI side project is worth your time. Some are just demos that die in a week. So let's talk about 3 that actually teach you something and could earn a little money later, if you do the work. First, a niche summarizer. Pick a specific audience, like realtors or nurses, and build a tool that turns long documents into short, useful notes. The narrow focus is what makes it valuable. Second, an automation that connects 2 boring apps. For example, when a form gets submitted, an AI drafts a reply and logs it to a spreadsheet. Small businesses pay for time saved, not fancy tech. Third, a personal knowledge assistant. Feed it your own notes and let it answer questions. Great for learning how retrieval and prompts actually work. Here's your concrete first step. Open a free tool like a no-code automation platform. Create one workflow, a trigger, an AI step, and an output. For your trigger, use a new email. For the AI step, ask it to summarize the email in 1 sentence. For the output, send that summary to yourself on your phone. That's it. You just shipped a working AI project in under 30 minutes. Don't build all 3 at once. Finish one, show it to a real person, and ask if it actually helps them. That feedback is worth more than any tutorial. Realistically, your first project probably won't make money, but the skill you build is the thing that pays. Start small, ship today, and improve from there. If this helped, subscribe for more honest building guides.